You might wonder, why this guy wears sunglasses indoors? It's not even that sunny outside. There is a reason, because today I want to talk about this guy. His name is Neistat, and he has something that I want to have as well. Casey was making videos for every day for like a year or something, and this particular video is 211. All type of things happening here. He's going getting donuts and what's not. But the important part is when he customizes his shades.
In today's vlog, I'm gonna make another pair of custom sunglasses.
Then Casey goes with step-by-step instructions on how to create custom sunglasses that he has. So what's the point, right? Casey already made the video 10 years ago. Why I want to create video like this? Because it's not about sunglasses, it's about a G-Shock square that I'm gonna make mine using the instructions from Casey.
Step 1, removing the Ray-Ban logo.
I'm not gonna remove the G-Shock logo, I just skip it.
Now we paint. 2 hours later. So these are dry enough now. I take a popsicle stick and now I just like attack it.
Say no more.
The last thing I'm gonna do is I will engrave my name and phone number right there on the side.
I will use the soldering iron. I want my initials here. And on the other side, I'll add lace, which is Hamburg 2024. Also, I want to put my phone number here. This will be plus, and I have set of these nice numbers. That's funny.
After you engrave it, you do take the white out, you fill it up with white out paint, you wipe off the paint. That's so good. Pretty good, huh?